everybody, and welcome back to Advanced Training Made Simple. In this training session, we have a triple set up, and a key feature of the triple is a bridge bird. Let me set this up for you. This is Michael and Prowse. He's running this as a straight up double. These are converging marks, which means they're thrown into each other. The long gun is the memory bird. It's the one that I've been running as a retired single. Let's stop it here just a minute. What do you think the dog's going to do? Is he going to backside the gun and hunt to the left of the gun? Or is he going to push out and go pick this bird up? Okay, right about here, I'm convinced that the dog is just going to channel up, miss this bird entirely, and go out into la-la land. If you notice back behind me, or back behind this mark, there's a lot of room for him to miss. This dog misses several opportunities to really screw this up, and it makes me kind of understand that this dog has got a head full of sense on him. If you'll watch right here, the first thing he does really excellent is go ahead and get out of the water, realize where he's at, and come back and hunt this bird. He misses it and then turns around and looks straight at where that memory bird is and still doesn't fall into the trap of leaving that area and getting it. He turns around and comes back and picks that bird up. Pretty doggone heady. Prowse is about to go for the right memory bird, but remember what the trap is. It's going back to the area where he just picked up that go bird. Okay, right about here, it looks like he may be going directly at the gun or possibly even backside the gun. But watch what this little guy does. He gets out and at the last minute, he corrects up to the right side of the gun and just sticks his nose on the bird. This is Prowse once again. He's running the bird on the left. Now this is the one that I ran as the memory bird, but Michael's running it as a retired single. And once again, little Prowse does a perfect job on this mark. This is Jimmy running red. He's running red on the right long bird, and he doesn't retire it until right before red gets out of the water, but really does a great job on this. And Red's a dog you'll see throughout some of these videos. I believe when this was shot, he was just a little bit over 2 years old. Very nice dog.